Today's legal maxim is lex loci contractus, or the law of the place where the contract is made. Lex loci contractus is a Latin legal principle that means the law of the place where the contract is made. Under this doctrine, the validity, interpretation, and effect of a contract are generally governed by the law of the place where the contract was perfected, unless the contract expressly provides otherwise or unless the parties intended a different law to govern. Under the Civil Code, particularly Article 1306, the parties to a contract may establish such stipulations, clauses, terms, and conditions as they may deem convenient, provided they are not contrary to law, morals, good customs, public order, or public policy. This means that the parties can choose the governing law, including foreign law, if there is a substantial connection to it. If the contract does not state which law governs it, then lex loci contractus may be used as a default rule in private international law to determine the applicable law. The application of foreign law, if lex loci contractus leads to a foreign jurisdiction, must be properly pleaded and proved in Philippine courts. Otherwise, Philippine law will apply under the doctrine of processual presumption. For example, if a contract was executed in Japan between a Filipino and a Japanese citizen and it doesn't specify the governing law, then under lex loci contractus, Japanese law would apply unless the parties intended otherwise or unless its application violates Philippine public policy. In one case, the parties entered into a contract of affidavit of sale for the transfer of ownership of a property. The contract was executed in the Philippines, but one of the parties was a resident of the United States. The contract involved the sale of a property located in the Philippines. When the contract was later challenged, one of the parties argued that the laws of the United States should govern the interpretation of the contract, as one of the parties was a U.S. resident. The Supreme Court ruled that the applicable law was that of the place where the contract was executed, in this case, the Philippines. This was based on the principle of lex loci contractus, which states that the laws of the place where the contract was made should govern the contract's interpretation and enforcement. The court emphasized that although the contract was negotiated in the U.S., its execution or the signing took place in the Philippines, making Philippine law the governing law. This case illustrates that while a contract may be negotiated across borders or in multiple locations, the jurisdiction in which it is executed often holds the governing law under lex loci contractus. The principle highlights the importance of where a contract is signed when determining the applicable legal system.